Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a car that's redefining city driving, the all-new 2026 Fiat Pandina. Let's explore why this compact car is turning heads and winning hearts. First off, let's talk about style. The Pandina boasts a contemporary and sleek design that's perfect for urban life. Its clean lines and modern aesthetics make it a standout on crowded streets. Whether you're zipping through traffic or parked curbside, this car's look screams sophistication with a touch of fun. Now, onto what's under the hood. Fiat is offering the Pandina in both hybrid and fully electric versions. That's right, you get to choose between two eco-friendly options. The hybrid delivers impressive fuel efficiency, while the electric version is perfect for those wanting to go fully green and embrace a zero-emissions lifestyle. Either way, the Pandina is designed with sustainability in mind, which is a big win for the environment and your wallet. Inside, the Pandina doesn't skimp on tech. The interior is equipped with the latest features, including a sleek digital dashboard, an intuitive infotainment system, and smart connectivity options. It's all about making your urban driving experience as smooth and enjoyable as possible. Plus, the cabin is surprisingly spacious for a car of this size, with plenty of room for you, your passengers, and your gear. One of the most impressive things about the Pandina is Fiat's commitment to accessibility and innovation. This car is designed to make sustainable and stylish transportation available to more people. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or searching for that elusive parking spot, the Pandina is built to excel in urban environments. So, is the 2026 Fiat Pandina the perfect city car? If you're looking for something compact, eco-friendly, and packed with features, it's definitely worth considering. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Would you go for the hybrid or electric version? Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more car reviews. See you in the next video.